Making percentages easy. Mastering percentage increase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of percentages, focusing specifically on the topic of percentage increase. You'll learn how to calculate percentage increases step by step. Don't worry if you've struggled with this before. We're going to break it down and make it really easy for you. In the world of numbers and calculations, a percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It's very useful when we want to compare different quantities. When we talk about percentage increase, we mean the amount that a number has increased in terms of its original value. This will be our focus today. Before we start calculating, let's learn how to identify when we are dealing with a percentage increase. Whenever you see something has become larger than it was before and you need to express that change as a part of the original value, you're dealing with a percentage increase. Now, let's talk about the formula to calculate the percentage increase. Percentage increase equals increase in value, original value, by 100%. Sounds a bit complicated? Don't worry. We'll break it down in the next section. To use the formula, we first need to find the increase in value. It's calculated by subtracting the original value from the new value. The original value is the value before the increase. After finding the increase in value, we divide it by the original value. Finally, we multiply by 100% to get our percentage increase. Let's apply this knowledge with an example. Suppose the price of a phone was $200 last year, but this year it's $220. The increase in value is $220, new value, minus $200, original value, equals $20. So, the percentage increase equals $20 per $200. X 100% equals 10%. The price of the phone has increased by 10% from last year to this year. And there you have it. Now you know how to calculate a percentage increase step by step. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering this skill. Keep trying different examples until you feel comfortable. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more English language learning content.